I'm going to move the chapter 18, student redistribution t-test. It's very important for exams. Next step is student redistribution. What is student redistribution? It's very important definition. The formula T is equal to x bar minus mu r square. This is called as t-distribution. Next, properties of student distribution as well as very important. You can write from this from minus 50 plus 50. The mean and variance just still. You can write the property of small properties. Next, third, t-distribution is unimodal with bell shape. You can write this 5 from the shape of distribution to the size changes. 6 and 7. This question, these properties are very important for exams of BSC Statistics Part 2. And next, student table is very important. Assumptions in using t-distribution is very important for exams. Next step is confidence interval is also very important for t-distribution. Next step is now I'm going to move the next now this for unequal variance, when variance are not equal, then you can write this formula of degree of freedom. V is the degree of freedom. Next step is here. Now I'm going to move the exercise. Exercise question 18.5 is very important. 18.7b part is also very important. And next step 18.6, 18.7. You can try this question. Next step is here. 18.14 is by 18.16, 18.17, 18.18 are very important for exams of BSc Statistics Part 2. 18.20 is very important for practical and exams. 18.26 part is very important. 18.29